Hi guys! Magandang gabi guys. So, yun guys. Ang gagawin naman natin ngayon is magtuturo tayo ng grade 6 student guys going to high school and then medyo lit lang yung kanyang pagbabasa. So, yun pong ipupokus po natin guys. And the next day naman, after niya talagang matutong magbasa, doon na naman tayo sa algebra or math. Guys, kailangan natin siyang turuan kasi yung kanyang pagbabasa and then medyo late talaga pag mga mahaba na hindi niya mabibigkas ng mga complete sentence na yan, medyo hirap po siya. So yun po yung fokusan muna natin kung paano siya magbasa kasi yun din yung sinabi ng teacher niya na medyo slow learning talaga yung kanyang natutunan na pagbabasa. Yun guys, so yun po yung gawin ko ngayon is i-focus ko muna yung kanyang pagbabasa. Okay. Okay. Takas. Very good. Soulmates
are people who find out the best if they are not.
Ano?
Perfect.
Perfect.
Are always perfect for you.
Yeah. And
The only way to
prioritize
your really
sorry. Relationships. Relation. Oh, yes. Lagay mo is. Ulit. Relationships. Relationships. Sige, gulang. Sige lang, gulang. Huwag mo tuwan ang sarili mo.
Relationship is to learn how to be grateful.
Lakas.
Grateful for your loved one.
Very good.
They are no
Another